So this is for ES50, an electrical engineering course, and basically what we have here is an electrical piñata. So the idea behind it is we wanted to have some sort of like memory game, but also something that would be like interactive. And so the way that this works is that piñata will show you a pattern of 5 different cones, and it's completely randomized each time you play it. And if you can get the pattern correctly 3 times back to back, then we have a servo mechanism at the bottom which will release the candy. And so we have like the servo, which is kind of the mechanical part, obviously the electrical engineering part being our breadboard that we have in the back of the piñata, which is kind of where all the chaos is happening, our LED lights, our piezo sensors, and yeah, just a little bit of fun. I think the big motivation was honestly seeing past projects from like past years, and we really like the dancing kind of like hitting something projects, and we thought those were fun. And then like LED lights are obviously just like funny and fun and good indicators to use. And I think we were just kind of in class thinking of things that we could do, and it kind of just like popped in our heads. I think the best thing about it, and probably the hardest thing, was like figuring out how to have different components all work together at the same time. So we got the sensors to work initially, the servo, the LED, that didn't take long, but then trying to put all of them together was pretty hard. And so actually like forcing ourselves to do that, especially with like a time constraint, was like pretty cool.